to New York.
Hey, we are on the New York Transit train headed to New York.
Whoa.
Hey,
A little bouncy.
welcome to New York. We're actually going into New York City. Hey everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. We are downtown New York City. So we are lost already, confused. I think we figured out the subway. It's definitely a lot different than Washington D.C. But you know, we'll work our way around. There's a lot of helpful people, and we'll figure it out. But anyway, the first item of business is to head to the Staten Ferry. We're going to take that because it goes over to Staten Island. It's free, and you get a really good picture and view of the Statue of Liberty. So have to go do that, and then once we get done with that, then we'll come back into New York City or Manhattan and figure out what we're doing at that point. But that's our first plan right now. Look, we are out of the subway. We are walking downtown, and we are
And there's the big bowl
at Wall Street as we head down to the ferry. We're walking by there. And there is the Statue of Liberty.
Right there.
Yep. So we're a little bit of ways away from it, but we can get a good view of it. This was the view when we were on our way from New York over to Staten Island. This was our view.
Yes, he is.
Now we're headed back, so it's a little bit further away. So we have taken the Staten Island ferry over to Staten Island and got a good picture of the Statue of Liberty. Staten Island ferry is free, and just to 100 yards to the other side of it is the ferries that go over to the actual Statue of Liberty Island. My tongue's getting twisted. So, but minimum $25, upwards to $75 to take that tour. So, we're not going to do that. We decided to just do the free, and it takes a long time.
Didn't take us far.
When we got here to get onto this, we just got right on and went over. There was a 2.5-hour wait to get on the Statue of Liberty tours, and that's part of the National Park Service. So it's all legit, but it's a long wait. So here are the pools for the trade centers where they used to be, and this is the museum, 911 museum, and there's a big long wait to get in right now. So many cool buildings here in New York City. End of the day having a Nathan's hot dog. We're looking at 415 Dover Avenue 6641. It says stand by. Everyone stands around this sign to see what track the train's going to be on. As soon as it's announced, everybody runs for that door. We're on 10. Look at this pretty cool spider web that we have in front of our rig.
It's our traveling spider.
Yeah, he's a good-sized spider. Not sure we want to keep him going with us, but he's made a pretty nice web here. All right, Ninette's going to throw a caterpillar into this web.
Yeah, poor guy. Sorry.
Poor guy. Oh, he's there. Ooh, nice catch. What? We got multiple spiders?
He's going, I want this web. That's
Ooh,
nice.
look at that guy. Can you see it? Oh, yeah.
That's just a teeny guy.
That's a teeny guy.
That's not the one that made the web. He's just the opportunist.
I think there's a family living here. Yeah, we have a family of
Not as big
spiders.
as that wolf spider. Damn.
Can you believe Ninette just threw this caterpillar in here to its death? Whoa. We're gonna come back tonight and check it out when the big spider's out. There's our big spider.
He's not.
Look how big that spider is. He wrapped that little moth, or he's in the process of wrapping him up or draining him. And we need to kind of make sure we get rid of him before we leave. Kind of give you a little bit better perspective instead of being zoomed in so much. But hey, he's eating good here. Lots of bugs. Day number 2 in New York City. And guess
Who's
what?
afraid of the ghosts?
Our first stop is Ghostbusters.
Yes!
We just watched the new one with the ladies just the other night.
Yeah, it was
so
fun.
we thought we had to stop here and check this out and see what it is. So if you look here, you can see the whole building. So while Ninette is taking pictures, I just want to mention that the way that the bus system works here and the trains and everything, we are about a half an hour drive to the New York Transit station. And then we have to take the train into New York City, which is about an hour and a half. And then this was a 15-minute ride from Penn Station. So Penn Station's kind of where the trains all come in together and the subways, and it's just a big everything. So we've now down here. Now we're going to figure out what's in this area and then head up towards Central Park is the plan for today. Okay, we are at Times Square. Look at all this stuff. Kinds of things going on here, all types of people, and things where you get your picture taken with. What about a big hot dog? This is looking back down the other direction. That's Times Square.
It's crazy.
Yeah, lots of people and lots of things here. So anyway, we are working our way up to Central Park. And also
if we can
to find
it.
a pizza place. We're getting a little hungry.
Yeah, it's time.
Well, we are at a pizzeria. This is John's Pizzeria. This was suggested by another YouTuber, so we're checking it out. Because look at this view up there. It's got that stained glass. Looks like a big pizza. This is an old church that's been restored. And we are here checking it out. A little concerning because it is noon and we're looking around here and there is a lot of open tables. But there are people coming in, so I don't know, it's supposed to be really great pizza. This is New York pizza, so we're here to check it out. Well, our pizza has been delivered. So what did we order? We've got buffalo chicken and Hawaiian pineapple. Yeah, half and half. Okay, well that was our pizza experience, and that was at John's Pizzeria. Yeah, I am full too. So.
Yeah, the buffalo spicy. Oh, you still have some on your seat.
Uh-oh. Anyway, it was good.
Yep.
And
I don't know, I do pretty good pizza, so.
Yeah, Ninette does pretty good pizza herself. This was a sourdough crust. Thin crust, so a little different than what we normally eat, but you know, so anyway, it was pretty good though.
It was good.
On to the next thing. Hey, we got our iced coffee from McDonald's in New York City.
For 99 cents.
99 cents. The cheapest thing we've got here in New York City, by the way. Okay, this is a quirky for sure. This is the McGraw Waterfall right here, and we're going to walk underneath this waterfall. We're going under. And then, oh, look at this on this side too. This is like a little park. This is pretty cool looking. Just a little bit of quirky in New York. So this is the Rockefeller Cente, and that's how you get to the observation deck so that you can go all the way up there. Wow, that's a long ways up. It's $40 a person to go up there and look out all over everywhere. This cool thing about this one is that you can actually see the Empire State Building from here. Anyway, it's supposed to be really cool, but we're not going to pay the extra money to do that. This is another view of that building, the other side of it. The nice thing about this observation point is that it's cheaper than some of the other ones. Besides just seeing the Empire State Building, it also has the option to go all the way to the top, and so you're not hindered by being inside because you're actually outside on top of the roof. So pretty cool, but that's still pretty expensive per person just to see the scenery. It's really best to do it at night or in the dusk. That would be a really pretty scene at that point. We're more interested in Central Park at this point than just looking out over the city, so we're headed to Central Park. This is pretty cool. Look at this bridge. It's like all these roots that have gone across this little waterway, and then they have grass on top of it. Pretty interesting, and there's multiples of these as we walk away from the Rockefeller Center. This is St. Patrick's Cathedral. Look at all that intricate work here. Such a beautiful place. These stained glass murals are just magnificent. Look at us. We are on a ride going around Central Park.
Yeah.
The Lamborghini.
In a Lamborghini with flowers.
In the Lamborghini. We have a individual here that is pedaling us around Central Park. Just sit back and enjoy yourself. So this is 843 acres, 18,000 trees, and 58 miles of walking paths. Wow.
Central Park have 90,000 benches.
No. 90,000 benches?
Benches.
Benches.
You look at what in the
Yeah.
benches.
Yeah.
So you give 10,000, you sign your name in the bench. Donation.
This is the way to go.
Having fun in Central Park, New York.
So our daughter told us that we had to eat at Katz Deli. That's Katz Deli. And the line goes clear back here to the corner.
So now we're talking. Finally get that sandwich.
Okay, well that finishes our New York trip.
Day 2, and we got it almost all done.
Yep, we had a good day today. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I read one thing that said that, on your first day, you probably shouldn't try to do much other than maybe do that hop-on, hop-off bus. That might have been a good idea for us, but yeah, we were kind of wore out the first day. So, but today was a lot better day, and we did get a lot accomplished. We had a lot of fun. We got to see the things we wanted to see. We even got to go to the Katz Deli and get our pastrami sandwich. So,
Yes, but we can't eat it because
yeah.
we have to wait.
We have it right here.
Yes.
we took it to go, so it's at 5 o'clock, so the line wasn't quite as bad, but there was still a line. Yeah, there was still a line.
took a while.
But,
we had a big pizza for lunch, so.
Yeah, we had that big pizza, so we don't really need to eat right away. So, anyway, so thanks for coming along with us. Hopefully you've had fun with this too, like we did, and we'll just plan on seeing you down the road somewhere.
We had a great time at the park.
Yep, and then otherwise we'll just see you on our next video. So you guys all take care and enjoy.
Thanks for coming along with us. Bye.